Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to enable bass boost for your headphones SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2. You have to start by open Beats Audio application and of course you need to add your headphones to the app. Your headphones should be connected with the application. And if you are in the device list menu, just tap at your headphones here. Then you need to go to the equalizer icon at the middle bottom. And right here in the presets we have bass boost. So tap at this line. And now we select it and we use it. So if you want to, you can go back or hide the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!